In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Instantly. Instantly is an autoresponder that integrates AI to help you warm up your leads and progress further with your outreach campaign. With Instantly, you can send thousands of emails every day without damaging your sender reputation, and you can create campaigns, connect your sending accounts, and watch those leads turn into customers. It has a built-in warm-up tool that keeps your emails out of spam and improves your sending reputation by integrating positively with your emails. If you have any questions about Instantly, go ahead and drop them below. I tend to reply within a few minutes to a couple of hours, and I'll also leave a special discounted link below, which I'll keep updated so you always get your value for money. Here we are inside the Instantly dashboard, and I've already gone ahead and connected an email account, but I'll show you how to do that shortly. One of the first things that you'll notice on the dashboard is the simplicity of it. On the left, you have your core navigation, so you have your email accounts, campaigns, analytics, and your settings. On the top, you have your account history and your logout. The first thing that you're going to want to do is follow this getting started guide, which will appear straight away. It guides you step by step on how to do each one, and they even have a guide resource which has a video on it, each one about 3 minutes long, with image and step-by-step instructions. So they really cover all aspects of getting set up. To add a new email account, go ahead and click Add New, choose your provider, enter your details, and then click Set Up. Once that's been set up, your email account will show here. If you select on it, it will show you the specifics of what's been going on, and you can enable or disable the system to use that email. Under settings, this is where you can configure the daily rate increases, etc., but it'll automatically do this for you. And if you've set up a custom tracking domain, you can use this. It even tells you how it can be set up here or in the resource area I just showed you. On the email here, you have a snapshot of what's going on, and it shows you things like warm-up emails sent in the past week, warm-up emails landed in the inbox, warm-up emails saved from spam folder, and warm-up health score. Then next to it, you have shortcuts, so you can enable and disable the tracking domain, you can disable and enable the warm-up, and then you've got these settings, which we just covered. The 3 dots will let you go into the warm-up analytics, the settings, and you can remove or reconnect the account. Heading into campaigns, this is where you set up the automation. Before we go into this one, I'll go ahead and create a new campaign to show you how it's all set up. You have 2 options on this page to start off with before you create any campaign. You have the Add New Campaign, and you also have the Global Block List. The Global Block List will let you block certain domains and email addresses, so you don't need to worry about spam traps. Under the Add New Campaign button, click it, go ahead and name it something, and now it will guide you step by step. You can import your leads via CSV, enter them manually, or add a Google Sheets document. For the sake of this, I'm just going to do the emails manually. If you want to add names and emails in, you put the name in quotation marks, and then you do space and add the email address in like so. You can also select check for duplicates across all campaigns, and then do import emails. Select upload. Whilst they're importing, you can go ahead and start creating your sequences. Very simply, you put in the subject line like you would with any email. You can add dynamic fields by clicking the insert variables and subject, and go ahead and do first name. This area is for the general content of your email, and you can add variables in by using the navigation at the bottom here. Go ahead and use the insert variable, and I'm just going to do the first and also the last name. We have our general content, which again you can hyperlink, add style to it. If you're not sure what sort of templates you can use the use templates, and it's also got a shortcode. This has got a wide range of templates here for coaching, follow-ups, marketing and advertising, etc. If you want to save this as a custom template, go ahead and next to save, you can do save as template, name it, and then it will be saved. If you'd like to add another sequence to this email sequence, go ahead and do add step, address it to say let's wait 2 days, and then you would select the next one and you'll type in more information here. If you want to adjust further options, go ahead and click the gear icon, and you can add conditions like if the lead opens this email, then go on to the next one, or change the wait time. You can add multiple conditions like if they reply to this email, skip the next email, etc. And when you're happy with it, press save. Go on to schedule, and you can name this a schedule. You can select which days it will send on and which days it doesn't, and then the timing, and in between those timing you can custom the country that you live in, and then add the schedule and add multiple different schedules. Under options, you select which emails you want to use, and you can add as many emails as you want, which will then act as a rotating sort of system. You can track if they've opened the emails, and then customize if you wanted to stop sending emails on reply, if you want to use the smart sending, which will slowly send emails to warm everything up, and then you can limit how many emails you send per day. When you're happy with that, click launch and then publish. And then it will show in your campaign section. When you click on it'll open up all the analytics. Once I've opened up my email, you can see it's landed in my inbox. I'm going to go ahead and select it. And there we have it. We have the actual email that we set up prior. This is really good considering I've just set up this email and it's already delivering inside my inbox. Going back to the analytics, you can now see someone has opened it and the analytics has changed in real time. It then even shows you who has opened it and what's going on. You can download the analytics in CSV format, which looks like this. By navigating through the submenu tabs, this is what it looks like, and it tells you each email and what's going on with that particular contact, and quick navigation to do everything we just did. Under the analytics tab, it shows a complete breakdown of all the campaigns that you've currently got running, and then you can filter it by specific campaign. So what do I think of Instantly, and do I think it's worth it? So I personally own my own mail server, and setting one up can be an absolute pain. If I had something like Instantly back in the day, I don't think I would have needed to set up my own mail server. So it's definitely something I'm going to be looking at in closer detail. I think they've made it really easy to set up all the custom domain tracking and connect all your email addresses. And I think any newcomers will be able to pick this system up within 5 minutes and start sending. One of the biggest problems when people start sending at mass is the natural side of it, which is where they start getting blacklisted. So the fact that this software integrates a warming up system is really important for the success of your email campaign. Would I recommend Instantly? Yeah, I think I would. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.